Backside 180s. They look smooth, feel buttery, and they're 85% less likely to destroy your ankles, like a tray flip. I said less likely, not impossible. Today, I'm going to teach you how to backside 180 step by step. Yeah, actually, you're probably going to spin out a few times, but don't worry about it. We've all landed primo and questioned our life choices. Before we start spinning like a confused fidget spinner, let's be real. Can you ollie? If your ollies still look like this, bless your soul, maybe rewind. You don't need to ollie over a fire hydrant, but you do need some pop. Front foot angled slightly just behind the bolts. Back foot, toes in the pocket, ready to scoop, but not go full ninja mode. If you feel or look like you're playing Dance Dance Revolution, step back, breathe, and rest. You wind up like you're throwing a punch. And as you pop, boom, let that energy go. Don't actually throw your hands up unless it's with gravity. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Real quick, what trick are you learning after the backside 180? Half cab? Front 180? Be honest, drop a comment. Pop like an ollie. Your shoulders are already moving. Let the board come with you. Catch it with your front foot. That's the moment of glory. Land switch, bend your knees, and look like you meant it. Even if it's sketchy, just ride away like you stole it. Let's talk about the 4 horsemen of backside 180 fails. Number 1, shoulders don't move. The board stays stuck like an X that won't let go. 2, overscoop. Congratulations, you did it. A helicopter kick and landed nowhere. 3, pivot spin. Just no. 4, looking down. Eye contact with the concrete. It's not romantic. Once you get consistent at landing them, take them to a bank or an incline. Gravity helps your style. Try ollie pivots or reverts to practice the motion without giving it a full send. Yes, watching yourself fall in HD hurts, but it helps. Now that you got it, style it out. Dip the nose, slow it down, make it yours. This is your gateway drug to half cabs, back 180s, nose grinds, and yes, backside flips. If this helped you, hit the like, drop a comment, and tag me when you land your first backside 180, and I'll probably leave some stupid emoji and pretend I taught you everything. Go out there, spin blind, don't break your phone,